Do you want your company's website to show up at the top of Google's results when either its name or certain keywords related to your service are searched for? It's probably safe to assume that the answer to that question is yes. Having your website rank high on Google is incredibly important to your company's success. However, many people aren't putting in the required amount of effort in order to achieve this result. What are some of the factors that go into ensuring a high ranking on Google? One can boil it all down to content and structure. If they are impressive enough, in theory, they will lure visitors. However, this isn't entirely true. There's much more to it. The name given to the process that website designers employ in order to get websites a positive ranking on Google is search engine optimization, or SEO. This video will explain what SEO is and how it can improve search engine ranking. 1. Hire a company that provides SEO services. Perhaps you have a website for your business, but you don't know how to optimize it for search engines, nor do you have the time to do so. Don't despair. There's a lot of SEO companies actually specialize in doing this if you're willing to spend just a little bit extra. The kind of tasks they perform for you includes creating a network of blogs affiliated to your site, steering traffic towards it, and so forth. Google then uses its special algorithms to look at your website and sees a website with authority. This effect is only made stronger the more blogs that are written. As long as they are all linked back to your site, they are adding more and more authority to your site. The result will be a healthier ranking on all the most important search engines. 2. Make written content of a high caliber. When you search for something on Google, it'll provide you with results that it thinks will be of the most use for you. If you want to make content that'll help your website rank well, it needs to conform to those standards. Write content that's of genuine use to anyone reading it. On top of that, correct spelling and grammar is also very important. Also, don't forget to keep the sentences and paragraphs short. Google searchers will not be able to find you if you don't pay special attention to including keywords in the written content. Research what keywords people use most often. Don't go overboard though, as Google can actually penalize you. Keep keyword density at around 2% of the whole article and include keywords naturally so they don't look like they were shoehorned in. 3. Use social media to your advantage. Another way to increase your website's perceived clout in the eyes of Google's algorithm is to have links to your website shared on social media. This gets described often as increasing social signals. It involves setting up an account on each of the main social media platforms, posting all the time, and so forth. Some people are actually hired to do this professionally. To incentivize people to follow their accounts, like and share their posts, businesses often offer rewards to any customers who complete any of those actions. Also, don't be shy about roping your friends and family into helping out by making posts linking to your business. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, feel free to hit like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell button.